So, speaking of small towns in the Central Valley, Rockford is losing an amenity. The Amazon Prime Air service is going to be complete.
This was an interesting test market. I had to look up Rockford on the map. It's just a little north of Lindsay and a little east of Woodlake in Tulare County.
Yeah.
So obviously this was a test lab for these drones, right?
That's exactly right.
So the odds are is that Amazon got the data that they needed, and now they can expand their experiment on other communities, right?
I think so, because you've got some limitations. You've got an 80-pound drone. It's not going to land, which means that it is going to drop the package. And I'm not sure, like, if Amazon provides a special landing pad, or if you're just supposed to, get on the, Amazon map and pinpoint, yeah, hey, drop it in the middle of my driveway, or, just whatever. But because of the payload capacity of the drone, it has to be under 5 pounds, and it can't be breakable because eventually it is going to be dropped as it is delivered.
So is some of this, they're trying to shove their smaller items on this because it's more efficient rather than burning gas on a truck?
Oh, yeah, for sure. I mean, you think about how many times, perfect example, this weekend, the clock in my bathroom, the battery finally kicked out. And I needed a single AA battery. Dude, I looked in every drawer in my home. I'm talking dresser drawers, desk drawers, kitchen junk drawers. I went through all my toolboxes because all I needed was a single AA battery. I don't want to go to the store. I just need a single. I was actually tempted to go knock on my neighbor's door and be like, hey, dude, do you have any AA's? I just needed one. This is perfect. I could have ordered a package of AA's and had it dropped off same day. It's not like the battery's going to get hurt getting dropped a couple of feet onto the driveway. It's perfect for that kind of thing.
Now that makes sense.
Yeah. But in a town the size of Rockford, you're not going to get the kind of volume that you need to justify maintaining the service.
I wonder how Rockford feels about knowing that the lab rat died. That was a test market and it didn't work. And Amazon is moving on, right? That's the message.
Amazon drones are moving on. You're still going to get a pleasantly lavender truck dropping off your AA batteries.
Very good. Speaking of things deliverable by Amazon, no, Jim Miller's not that way.
News now. The woman accused of a deadly shooting outside a Northwest Fresno bar remains in custody after making her first court appearance this morning. 26-year-old Dominique Jones pled not guilty to murder charges stemming from the April 14th incident. Police say an argument broke out outside of Ewell's place at the corner of Shaw and March. 38-year-old Gilberto Gutierrez stepped in and tried to de-escalate the situation. That's when detectives say Jones shot and killed him. She's currently being held at a $1.5 million bail. One person died. It follows a house fire in Visalia. Fire officials were called to a home on Howard Street just before 5 a.m. this morning. Firefighters told that one person still inside as they arrived on scene. That person found dead inside the home after firefighters entered. Crews were able to contain those flames. The cause of the fire is under investigation. The woman accused of a deadly shooting at a Northwest Fresno bar makes her first court appearance today. Here's ABC 30's Graciela Marino.
It comes one day after prosecutors filed murder charges against 26-year-old Dominique Jones. The shooting happened Sunday, April 14th at Ewell's place at the corner of Shaw and Mark. Police say an argument broke out between several people outside the bar. 38-year-old Gilberto Gutierrez stepped in and tried to de-escalate the situation, and that's when detectives say Jones shot and killed the innocent husband and father. She was arrested this past Friday.
Now the forecast from ABC 30 meteorologist Christine Gregory.
Good afternoon, Hunter Valley, and happy Wednesday. We made it through the middle of the work week, but our cooling trend continues this afternoon with highs only in the low 70s both today and into Thursday.